If you work on refrigeration equipment for a living, take the next minute to learn how KE2 Therm is making service better. Whether you're installing new equipment or want to update existing systems, options are available from KE2 Therm to make your customers happier and put money in your pocket. With these options, your customers can save on energy and operating costs. In addition, you can eliminate wasted trips, quickly diagnose issues before or during a service call, and have the tools to better schedule your calls. This all leads to higher retention of top talent by reducing late night and weekend emergency service calls. With most refrigeration equipment, you have no idea how well it's running, or even if it's running at all, before it's too late. With KE2 Therm's leading refrigeration technology and ease of remote access, you always have real-time visibility to stay ahead of potential issues, and you or your customer will receive alerts when something is not right. End result: your customer is happier because you are taking better care of them. On KE2 SmartAccess, it's easy to see all of the refrigeration equipment you service from anywhere, at any time from your phone, tablet, or computer. Save time with selectable alarms, automated reports, and the ability to add service call notes specific to the device. With remote connectivity, KE2 Therm Tech support is just a click away. To learn more, visit KE2Therm.com or ask your local KE2 Therm wholesaler for more information.